Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. Today is a great day. The sun is shining, the breeze is blowing, the temperatures are mild. It is fall in KY. That's Kentucky. And I'm super glad that you're here with me today. I have my Ipsy Glam bag. If it is chunky, I wonder what's inside. Let's find out. I hope you guys are having a great day where you are. And I was looking forward to this bag because it's got a spider web and it's spooky season. And I love it. And let's see. Their card. There is a card, but it's not going to tell me much. Because that's how they roll at Ipsy. Oh no, it does tell me what I have. The Glam Bag Plus they don't. But the Glam Bag they do. And I'm really excited about what's in here today. There's some very nice things. Very nice things indeed. Some of them are full size. There's at least one nice full size item. But let's start with this. This is Velvet. I'm a little caffeinated, so I'm a little shaky. Velvet. Commodity Velvet. Velvet's deep notes of vanilla, rose, amber, and sheer musk greet your senses with a warm, welcoming hug. They dry down, reveals an unexpected, delicate, and smoky silage. I don't know. I've never seen that word before. Silage. For a breathable indulgence when it meets bare skin. All right. It says to apply lotion to your skin before you do perfume. That way it lasts longer and stick. So let's check this out. I love perfume. I have a perfume collection. And this is a very nice size. Velvet. Oh, that smells nice. And I definitely smell the vanilla and the rose. Oh, that's nice. I like this. This is going to be something I'm going to put in my purse to have with me so I can smell delightful at a moment's notice. So we've got Velvet here, this perfume sample, which is a very decent size. Then we've got from Kors. I say it's Kors. Some people say Kores. Greek yogurt probiotic super dose face mask. It's like a superfood for your face, and this pre and probiotic rich mask is full of Greek yogurt, anti-inflammatory candula, and moisturizing sweet almond oil to help hydrate, balance, and soothe your skin in less than 10 minutes. And you can use this up to 3 times a week for best results. It's sealed. I'm going to keep it sealed because I have a lot of masks right now. So this is a decent size. I don't think you can get 3 uses out of it though. But that's pretty decent. Then we have from Perlice, it's the little BB cream. And it's the illuminating BB cream, SPF 30 and fair, and I am definitely fair. And this multitasking BB cream is made for hectic mornings. A few drops to give your skin dewy, natural looking coverage and protects it from pollution and UV damage. The light reflecting pigments will make your skin look soft and luminous. You would swear it was filtered. We love it when it's filtered. So I've used this before and I do like this BB cream. So this would be great for like when I go out of town in a couple weeks. If I'm looking for a natural light coverage. And then, the tiny, it's so tiny. From Jasmine Beauty Lip Lock Lipstick in Stay Cozy. Lockdown color and luminosity with this high coverage lipstick in a rosy mauve shade. The satin finish stays smudge proof but doesn't dry out your lips thanks to its hydrating formula. Full size is $20. Full full size of that perfume is $135. That's fancy. And full size of the Perlice is $38, and full size of the mask is $49. It's so small. Oh, it's adorable. It's an adorable little lipstick. That's a beautiful color. It's very close to what I'm wearing, but I don't use bullet lipsticks. But I will pass this on to someone who will use it. Very cool. And then last but not least, we have a full-size palette. Usually we get at least 1 or 2 full-size things in our glam bag. And I got to choose this out of all the things to choose. And it is from Trend Beauty. It is Glam Babe. It is a full-size palette. And how can you go wrong? And this palette is worth $12.50. So it's a very reasonably priced palette. And it says, make everything a true glam day with this bold palette of 15 shimmer and matte shades. They can easily take you from day to night. Mix and match your favorite colors or try something new. This palette is every shade you need to create a totally unique and bold makeup look. All right. It's got a mirror. And that's really pretty. Those are colors I would totally use. I'm loving that. That's so cool. I'm not going to swatch it because I've got so many palettes that I'm using right now, but that will make a great present. Everything's a present this month. Everything is in my boxes and bags that I'm not using are going to be presents or in the giveaway that's coming up. So we got this fantastic spiderweb bag. We got this full-size palette. We got a BB cream. We got a delightful perfume. We got a teeny tiny lipstick. And we got a face mask. Oh, I didn't even notice. The bag has a little spider. It's a little spider. Oh, that's so cute. This is a great glam bag. It's a $13 glam bag, and we definitely got our money's worth out of it this month. And I like it. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.